My room's a mess, my life is a mess, but I'm about to do something that I've never done before. And I'm super excited about it. Tomorrow is Eid and I am about to celebrate my first ever Eid.
Wait, before we get into the vlog, if you're new here, hi, my name is Tahura Hashmi and I am in the middle of a challenge called 27 for 27. Don't search it online, it's not a big thing, I made it up.
I made a list of everything I ever wanted to do and experience in my life. The list has a variety of things from getting my driving license, running a marathon to making a short film. There is just one rule. I need to accomplish at least 27 things within this year.
You kind of get the point, right?
Now, I have already achieved one and achieved the other one too. Well, almost. Now it's time to try and achieve the third one on the list.
Eid. Now don't get me wrong, this is not my first Eid as in like I've never seen Eid in my whole life. Eid has been very traumatizing for me. It's 8:20 in the night. Tomorrow I might have my first experience of Eidgah and I'm super excited, but I don't have stuff to wear. I do have an abaya, but I need to accessorize it. So let's go shopping. We're going to go to Vaishali Nagar. One of my friends stays there, so she'll be accompanying me, and then we might go to my other best friend's house because she's like, oh, do you want me to put mehndi on your hand? And I thought it just might make this ticking off bucket list even more special. It might make this vlog and this challenge in particular and this memory even more special. So I might go to her house and get a little bit of henna. I don't like mehndi that much, but if she's putting it for the memories, for the plot, we're gonna do it. These are the things that I have so far. First, chudiyan. I realize I don't have any chudiyan. Every time when I wear something, it is usually from my mom's cupboard. I don't have any chudiyan of my own. I was like, come on girl, like at least do something about it. So I'm gonna get my first ever chudiyan set. Wow. Now I don't even know कितने की आती है. So I'm afraid that मैं ज़्यादा पैसे दे के आने वाली हूँ. Jhumkas, obviously. Then I want payal. I so want payal. Since a year I've been wanting to wear payal on like a daily basis. Am I in my soft girl era? I don't know. I've started appreciating culture so much more than I did before. The things that I used to associate with, ये तो आंटी लोग पहनते हैं या ये तो एक गांव वाले लोग पहनते हैं. It's changing now. Alhamdulillah, God gave me that sense where I am appreciating culture, removing that biases that the society had put in my head of who wears what and who gets to wear what. I think payal would be the highlight for me, even though nobody can really see it. I would feel bonita, you know what I mean. Then footwear, I do kind of have a matching thing, but that's like a 3 or 4 inches high heel. I don't know if my knees are ready for that. Then of course I have to get mehndi cones. My mom loves mehndi, so she might want to put it as well. And then I'm thinking rings, that's the plan. I need a hijab. Oh yes, I need a hijab as well. I do have a backup hijab, but I want something matching. 300 बोल रहा ना, मुझे लगा था मेरा काम 200 में हो जाएगा. थोड़ी फैंसी में है, थोड़ा सा या कड़ा हो जाए, कैसा कुछ ऐड करने के लिए. ये पूरा सेट कितने का आएगा? 650 का. He's like पूरा. Should I get it? Why not? You're looking amazing. Will you come for tomorrow's prayers?
Like I'm free, sorry, I forgot.
Oh, then you're encouraged even more to come.
And sit.
Yeah, there's a special place for the people who are menstruating. My brothers and everyone has warned me for के उधर pickpocket होता है.
अच्छा हाँ यहाँ होता है.
हाँ.
Have to be careful.
Yeah, because I already lost my wallet. Okay, so this is the list.
अच्छा, तुमने अभी से ही देखना शुरू कर देना चाहिए यहाँ से.
Okay. You want this one?
No, it's okay. You can have that.
Cute.
So this happens a lot with you.
Yeah.
I saw that video. It was very nice. Very cool.
Welcome. लूज है ना थोड़ा.
आप लोग बंगड़ी पहन से नहीं हो आज इनके लिए आए हो. ये 10 है,
हाँ जी.
ये 10 है, ये 4 है.
Okay, ठीक है. We've got the goods, we've got the stuff. I just hope everything in my bag is there and nothing has been stolen. हो गया ना?
हाँ.
मिल गया. Ya Allah.
It's 12:30 in the night. I'm back home and I cannot believe I did it. Now that I'm back home, I'm realizing that my hands are aching really badly and I'm super tired. Not a good sign, but let me show you everything that I got. Obviously, the dress is ready. I got these jutis. It's obviously not the best quality. I got them for 300. दिस इज़ द ईयरिंग दैट आई एम गोइंग फॉर. अब मुझे हिजाब तो नहीं मिला सेम कलर का, तो जो इसके साथ आया था वही मैं ले लूंगी. ऑब्वियसली आई गॉट द रिंग्स दैट आई हैड शोन अर्लियर. आई गॉट दीज बैंगल्स. Cute. I got this for 1,000. I did not bargain enough, I feel. I could have got this for 800. Then I bought henna cones and I bought these from this old chacha. They are basically stickers. You put them as stickers on your hand and then you put mehendi on top of it and then remove it. I showed these to my brother and my brother's like, you know, they don't work right unless until they are of really good quality. I've heard that. I got these because it was already 11:30. It was obvious that I wouldn't be able to make it at Sabi's house. It's almost 1 o'clock in the night. I can still go at her house if I want to. But I have some decency. घर के लिए I got these cans of not juices, like drinks. My brother was suggesting if you're going for Eidgah tomorrow, why don't you take it over there, since there will be the police that will be helping organize things. So why don't you distribute some to them? But I have very less. I wish I had like 2 crates, so I could have taken 1 crate for the policemen there. But this is something I want to keep in mind. Inshallah, Bakrid is in like 2 months, so we can do that again. Abhi ke liye the goal is put my mehendi. Let's see if these actually work. And I need to clean my room also because my mom was like, तुम्हारा room बिखरा रहता है, and she was not letting me go. I was like, नहीं मैं कर लूँगी, ये कर लूँगी, सब करके रख दूँगी. It's almost 1 o'clock in the night and room ऐसे ही पड़ा हुआ है. I have to buckle up. Good news is, I think my mom will come with me for the Eidgah. We are trying to convince her. It's very exciting for me because it will not just be my first ever Eidgah, but it will also be my mother's first ever congregational prayer. I'm excited for her. And I'm excited for myself. Yeah, there's so much to do. I don't know why I'm sitting and talking over here. Let's get started.
Bro, what kind of mehendi is this? I was trying to spread it. ये पूरा ऐसे ही निकल रही है. Like it's just a stain. मतलब color mix. चुपचाप कर लेती हूँ. कुछ है नहीं option. It's good. $6:34. There's no time. There's no time to film all. Oh my god, I'm wearing this. I'm wearing that. Let me just quickly get ready. I just took a bath and I've dried my hair, tied it up. It's time to wear my clothes and put on makeup because I need to do something about this face.
और दूसरे मज़ाहिब के ईदों में, दूसरे मज़ाहिब के त्योहारों में फर्क होता है. शुबहात के फितने भी हैं, हर तरफ से फितने अपना चंगुल बढ़ाए हुए हैं.
We're distributing some toffees.
Hey, you ladies and gentlemen. Mehendi turned out great. I loved this side. I've paired it with that rings that I got. This side, maybe not that much. When I do this, it looks pretty, but over here, it looks out of place. The chudiyan, I'm a little disappointed. Abhi se hi rust khana chalu ho gaya. Obviously, I needed my watch because I had to keep a track of my heart rate. We matched. Also, while I was getting ready, I dropped my sunscreen, the tinted sunscreen I had. This is how I've put the jhumkas. So this is the dress. It was a little bit underwhelming, I won't lie. It's because we were slightly late and jagah nahi thi. It was in a school. All the rooms, the classrooms were filled. The hall was filled. Everyone was returning back because there was no space. But I was like, you know what? I see some, and usually when you're sitting, you end up taking more space because you're like relaxed before the Jamaat starts. And once you stand up or you sit, you're sitting in a particular position, space usually opens up. मुझे दिख रहा था end corner में there's a space. I asked them है क्या जगह, and they said one person can come, and I was like, Mama, आ जाओ. 2 की जगह मैं कर दूंगी. We were in a particular room. यहाँ के पंखे 2 चालू नहीं थे. Obviously, we were not thinking about that. नहा धो के गए थे तो fresh feel भी कर रहे थे. We sat, the Jamaat happened, and then the khutbah happened. Khutbah was a little bit underwhelming. I'm not going to go into the details, men being men. I made my mom meet a lot of people. I don't know why I just ate that while I'm talking. Sorry. While I was distributing the chocolates, a very lovely thing happened. Obviously, some of the kids were thrilled. When I gave chocolates to a girl, she had just one crocheted sunflower keychain. And if you know me, you know I love sunflowers. Daylight, happiness. At least for me, they represent that. So yeah, I took it. First ever Eid Mubarak. That's how my brother wished me. I did not even put it in my 27 for 27 challenge because I was worried that I will just get disappointed again. And since Eid is like very traumatic for me, it's very triggering. I feel really sad on those days and have mental breakdowns. This is what Eid was like. A day before, you start prepping, you start cutting all these dry fruits and everything for Sheer. You're tired, you're preparing for biryanis and all of that. And then you have to send it to other people as well. The next thing you know is you have to wake up early in the morning because the men have to go and pray. You have to help them get ready, make sure they have their kurta pajamas ironed and everything. Once they are gone, we have to clean the whole house and then help in the cooking. And you know how kitchen is. It's like a havoc. It leads to a lot of fights where I obviously felt very bad about myself. Mothers have a tendency to say very harsh things that just ruin your confidence and what you think about yourself, and it just feels bad. I don't want to like phrase it in a way that sounds justifiable. Any kind of abuse, emotional abuse is not valid, specifically when it comes from the parents. I was told by my mom to get ready and I used to be like, why? I'm tired. I'm so tired. I don't want to anymore. Because all we'll have to do is just sit at home. That's it. Dad used to get guests sometimes, like his friends. My brothers got to at least go and sit around with them and have a fun chat. I couldn't do that. We'll have to serve them and stay in our rooms. Not even the whole house. Then we get even more restricted. The brothers are always gone with the father to wish everyone else iske ghar ja rahe hain, wahan sheer de ke aa rahe, while we are making the boxes. Since the last 2-3 Eids, I just gave up. I would have this mild PTSD moment where all the memories would come back. Even if one thing is said to me that's like in the wrong direction, it would just completely break me down. And for that reasons, I never liked Eid. I've been trying to change that for the last 4 years. I've been like begging them to let me go for Eid prayers, but there was no one to take me because they used to go to a different masjid and my mom would never come and I wasn't allowed to go alone. Then I found friends who would go, but then like my parents wouldn't let me go with them. Yesterday, somehow my brother convinced mom to go with me, and my mom listens to the eldest son, even though he's younger than me, because obviously Chandrat shopping growing up was considered haram. हराम इन अ वे कि ये रात को सबको निकलना कि इबादत वाली रात है, ये सब में लगे हुए हैं, शॉपिंग में लगे हुए हैं. I've grown up and like I can make my own decisions. So I just decided to do that, and luckily Anusha was there. I wouldn't have been able to do it without her. Alhamdulillah for good friends. So yeah. That is how my Eid went, guys. Alhamdulillah. Thank you so much for watching if you did. I hope people who are watching this, specifically the ones who never got to go for Eid prayers, I hope you could feel like as if you're celebrating Eid with me through this vlog. Inshallah ta'ala, I will tick off more things from my list. I need you guys to be there with me for that. So stay tuned, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next vlog.